All right, we're gonna do the Hopworks Urban Brewery, the hub, the Powell IPA. So we got, they always have some cool art, so gotta love the owls. 40 IBUs is 6.4% alcohol by volume. Pretty low IBUs here. We're expecting a tropical flavor. Unfortunately, a lot of people are doing that, but this is pretty good stuff. Got that nice yellowish gold tint.
A little lighter, maybe I would have thought.
It is, yeah. Nice pillowy head. Beautiful head.
Yeah, it is.
So.
Yeah, kind of a clean white
Yeah, oh yeah.
look to it, you know, not too much. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's the
Smells.
same kind of Simcoe Citra mosaic sort of profile that everyone on Earth has.
Right. Yeah. Not bad.
No.
These guys,
No.
I mean, I don't think I've had a bad beer by them.
I'll tell you the truth, it tastes more bitter than 40 IBUs.
It does, yeah. Huh. That's a good point.
But nice, clean, not bitter finish to it.
Right.
Like
yeah.
lingers almost like right now, a little bit malty. Right? I get some of the maltiness out
and
of
the
it.
alcohol kind of lingers too.
Yep, a little bit. Yeah, it's good.
It kind of starts out a little sweet almost. Like, it's kind of weird. And then it just gets
At
into
the
the
very,
alcohol.
very, very
Yeah,
beginning,
right.
yeah.
It's, tropical.
Oh, yeah.
So you got like a pineapple, maybe a mango, kind of just
mango-ish, peach.
You know. It's right to
Real
start
peach.
though. Yeah, peach is, yeah.
Then it's kind of traditional hoppiness almost, and like that tiny bit of bitterness at the end, and then I'm even getting more malt out of it now.
Yeah. Dude, this would go real good with one of their special pizzas they got there.
Yeah, it would.
If anyone's ever in Portland and there's no fucking riots going on, you can stop in there.
Now this, I think, would have been awesome with the orange chicken.
Yeah, shit.
Because citrus and orange and a little bit of
Yeah.
sweetness from the chicken would have been fantastic with this. How it finishes kind of malty, and it's not too bitter.
Right.
So the sweetness of the chicken isn't going to make this taste super
Right.
bitter. Like
this
this
isn't
would have been.
overpowering and it won't fuck with it, you know.
It would have been perfect with it, like a super good complement. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Anything
I'm sure we
like
have
that,
other-
any kind of sweet spicy would really go good
Oh, yeah.
with this. Any kind of sweet spicy pork, you know, like a sweet spicy barbecue or something.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man. Lighter meats, chicken and stuff.
Like some bacon with honey. Be nice with that.
Yeah, like sometimes we talk about the breakfast,
Yeah.
the waffles,
Right.
and the, you know, smoky kind of maple bacon or whatever, like you were saying, or
Yep.
even, oh, God.
Dude, pancakes
chicken
and shit with syrup,
Yeah,
you know?
chicken fried steak with syrup on it instead of
Yep.
biscuits and gravy, you
Oh,
know, instead of
dude.
white gravy. Cream cheese crepes with some of that over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This will go good with the chocolate.
Yeah, it would.
It'd be
Yeah,
actually
kind of a
great.
bittersweet sort of chocolate, yeah.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. It's really good and just refreshingly not over bitter.
Yeah.
Killer beer. Beer in the woods.
Yeah. Beer in the woods, bar in the woods.
Yeah, it is.
It's fucking time to kick it up.